Yep. Well, I have it off. Where'd I put it? Shit. Oh, there it is. So it's in good condition. I've got some, this is the B-pillar. I've got a little bit of shaping to do, and I'm going to hammer down these flanges so they're nice and flat, I guess. And I also am going to replace some of the metal that I had to kind of mess with, as you can see here. So there's my patch. Basically, you can see the piece that I'm going to be replacing. And like that. So essentially, I'm going to zip from that corner all the way down to include that hole. Yep, I'm going to cut that hole out and down, and then and then over. This, I'm not sure. I'm going to probably leave that open so that I can have access to it. Actually, yeah. When I put the B-pillar back on, I may do this piece here. That's awfully ugly. Yeah, we'll see. But I'm going to leave this seam open so that I can weld through it from the back. Yeah. Swing. Yeah, oh, there we go. Well, they say that happiness is a warm gun. No. Happiness is a fully stocked garage with a welder on hand. I'm happy to see that I am not out of weld gas and that my welding helmet works. And I found all these things, magnets, so I'm going to do some welding. Done. I welded both front and back. My welds have gotten better. I'll never win a welding Grammy, but there we go. I may weld in this piece here too. I'm not sure yet, but that'll get covered up with the B-pillar. Yeah, I'm not sure. Definitely not the seam, but maybe this area in there, maybe, possibly. Or I might just say, fuck it. I might, yep. Well, god damn it, I'm not sure if I should go on and weld this thing up. Here's the thing, so I've got this gap here, and I am not convinced that is correct. What I am convinced of is I need to ask the question. I don't know if I need to angle this part up to fill in that gap, or what the fuck. But I don't know. Well, I might as well post this video and get my day done. I gotta mow my lawn too. I've drilled a hole in there. I'm gonna seal that up. Obviously I've not welded this in, but there we go. That's a good drain. Oh, there we go. That's a better drain. I may make that hole just a little bit bigger now that I've got the whole thing off, but I'm just not sure about that. I mean, I'm ready to weld the B-pillar back in, but you know, I've got a... I don't know. I mean, I don't know any better than... Do I angle this up? I don't recall... I don't recall another panel that goes over all of this. And that goes in there. I'll gotta fix the gap, of course, but I don't know. I'll have to ask somebody. Oh well, I shouldn't be pissed.